for no manners. I don't like it. Like just feel it. When I'm better work it right. Go. Keep on watching.
Oh my god, so that's my favorite. Favorite ko din to. Kasi grabe yung, by the way, so, hi guys, it's me, Luigi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, we will have an reaction video for official music video. So yeah, so before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that remember to upload. So, so guys, comment down below is your bias, and before and after watching the music video, I feel ko may mga changes before and after watching, right? So, I am so excited. So without further ado, let's get started. You know, but favorite part ko yung rap part. Hinahanap ko yung lyrics but I can't find it. Hindi ko mahanap yung lyrics. Ito yung mga ganitong part, hindi ko siya mahanap. Like walang, sana makapag-upload dito yung mga color-coded ng easy lyrics. Ito, gusto ko to na part. I love this part. I want to memorize the lyrics. Wait. Grabe, ang ganda ng beat. Para siyang Stray Kids vibes, ganon, di ba? Yun ang biggest Stray Kids vibe, like mga rap song, tapos yung mga maangas, ganon. Tsaka, ang ganda. Ay, ala, wala pa tayong thumbnail. Grabe. Tsaka, not typical. Grabe talaga yung mga blonde hair, no? Grabe yung mga atake niya sa akin. Oh my God, the pogi! The face card. The visual. Wow, grabe. Wala tayong mahanap na thumbnail kasi ang ganda din. Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda. Tsaka not typical. Fits nila dito, ang ganda. Bagay na bagay siya sa beat. Alam mo yun, kasi may mga ibang music na not typical. Wow! Wala tayong mahanap na thumbnail, guys. Oh my God, wearing sleeveless. Ang ganda, ang perfect ng color combination. Ng orange, ganyan. Diba? Ang liwanag. Ang sa mata. Wow! Oh my God, wait, malapit na tayo matapos. Oh my God, by the way, this is the last video natin this month of April. Oh my God, natin to this April. Tsaka not typical. Wow! Oh my God, guys, so that's the end of our video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated. Remember, I love this music video. Oh my God, guys, comment down below your bias. Bye, I love you all. Mwah.